Welcome to the Forge Files. Today, we're fixing the biggest gap in Agile resumes for 2026, process language. The data is clear. Professionals saving 9 hours a week with AI are 3 times more likely to land a promotion. But for most of you, your positioning is still stuck in 2022. I'm Abel Mendez. Today, we're turning process language into organizational impact. Stop describing what you facilitated, start describing what changed. Orchestrating agentic delivery. Instead of just running ceremonies, focus on how you integrated AI to improve flow. See the shift? We move from facilitated ceremonies to restructured workflow around AI, cutting cycle time by 28%. That is the impact the market pays for. Line 2. Closing the AI readiness gap. This is about leading the operational shift, not just supporting it. The difference is ownership. You are just supporting tools. You are moving programs from experimentation to repeatable, embedded delivery. Finally, line 3. The judgment AI can't replace. This is where you demonstrate leadership and roadmap protection. Don't just say you coached. Say you rebuilt delivery trust and protected a $12 million roadmap. That's leadership work AI can't touch. The pattern is simple. Stop describing facilitation. Start describing business outcomes at the organizational level with a number attached. That is how you get promoted. If your resume still reads like a task list, it's time to reposition. Click the link below to book your free 15-minute discovery call. Let's forge your path.